Jason goes to hell.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and they are all shooting.
What's that? Gum, 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 gum. Gumball.
Damn it, I blew up. Ah, I blew up again.
Look at that cat.
She's showering right on the couch.
I blew up again. Yes. The nicest kitty in the universe.
I think Ashley's cat is the nicest one.
Which one? No, Ashley's cat is what?
What's his name?
Oliver?
Yeah, it's
You're
so
funny.
chill. It just lays down all day.
It does that when it's
And then
tired, but when it plays, he goes.
And then Anne-Marie is all like wild and tears down
Okay.
Okay, well,
Okay.
sheets and stuff.
I'll throw up.
Do you have a litter box in your house?